In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat feature to your Squarespace website. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have an effective way for your visitors to interact with your site more personally. We will begin the process at Common Ninja, a fantastic platform that offers a range of widgets to enhance your web presence. So, let's jump right in. First, head over to the Common Ninja website by simply opening a new tab in your browser and typing Common Ninja in the search bar. Once there, you'll notice a navigation menu. Click on the option labeled Widgets Plus to reveal a variety of widget options available for you to explore. To narrow down our options, go to the search bar on the widget page and type in WhatsApp. This will help you quickly locate the specific tool we need for our task. Once the search results populate, look for the option titled WhatsApp Chat and click on it. This is the widget that will allow us to integrate WhatsApp Chat directly into your Squarespace site. Now that you've selected the WhatsApp chat, it's time to create your widget. On the subsequent page, you will notice a button that says Create WhatsApp Chat. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start customizing your chat options, setting up how it will appear to visitors on your website. Once you've configured your preferences, you need to publish your widget so it's ready to use. You'll find a Publish button there on the editor page. Clicking this will activate your widget, preparing it for embedding into your site. After publishing, ensure you click on Save Widget to ensure your settings are intact. You might wonder how to keep your widgets organized. There's a simple step here. Choose a suitable folder to store your widget. This keeps your widgets neatly arranged, allowing you to manage them effortlessly in the future. To proceed further, click on Save Changes. With your widget all set up, the next step involves embedding it into Squarespace. For that, you'll need to click on Copy Code, available on your widgets page in Common Ninja. This action copies a snippet of code you'll use very shortly. Switch over to your Squarespace dashboard. To add the widget, find the Add Block button on your chosen page. After clicking it, select the Embed option from the list of blocks. This allows you to insert custom code into your site. Next, click on Edit, where you'll find a menu option labeled Code Snippet. Select this, followed by another click on Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Common Ninja. Ensure everything is correctly entered and formatted. Finally, save your changes by clicking on the Save button. This applies your modifications and completes the embedding process. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Squarespace website now has an accessible, functional WhatsApp chat widget, making it easier for visitors to get in touch with you through one of the most popular messaging platforms in the world. Feel free to explore and adjust the settings further to tailor the chat experience to suit your needs. Happy chatting!